What's going on, everybody? We are back with another OBD11 how-to video, and today is one that came from some of the followers on Instagram that requested this, and this is how to enable your gear selector showing what gear you're in. Now when you put it into manual mode will always show you manual 1, it'll say M1, M2, whatever your gear you're in. But as you can see here, if I go into drive, it only says D. And we can also put it into sport mode, and it shows the S and the D, but it doesn't show what gear you're in. So I'm going to show you how to change it to where it always shows you what gear you're in, whether you're in drive, sport, or manual. Once you're connected to your OBD11 app, once again, we're always going to hit our blue button here. We're going to go to transmission. We're going to let this load. Once it loads, you're going to click adaptation. And then you're going to see a few things here. You're going to see single gear display, and that's what we're going to do for this. And you can see a menu here. It says D off, S off. So if you click on that, you have a few different options here. You can have it to where drive won't ever show your single gear display, but S always will. You see all these options. I like to see my gear display no matter what I'm doing, so I'm going to put D on and S on. And then I'm going to hit OK. Then I'm going to press and hold the green check mark. It says adaptation accepted. So now when we go back to look at our instrument cluster, we should be able to see what gear we're in no matter what, whether we're in drive, sport, or manual. Let's check it out. Okay, so now once I shift this into drive, we should see a D1 since we're sitting here at a complete stop. And I forgot that I'm actually still in sport, so it shows sport 1. If I go back down to sport again, it shows D1. So now our single gear display is active for drive, sport, and manual. Hope this helped you guys, and we'll see you on the next tutorial.